Hey, what are we picking today, buddy?
Strawberries.
Strawberries at the strawberry farm. We're at the strawberry farm.
Oh,
and Augie is ready to go pick lots and lots of strawberries.
And there's a special one back to the left.
Okay.
Oh, cool.
Strawberries. Oh, look at that. Pretty. Look at that weird shape.
It's like a fat man. Oh, this one's almost. Oh, this one's good.
Cool.
Cool, dig it.
Cool, dig it.
Oh, it has an aphid.
What is it?
Aphid.
Oh, that's fine. Just one. Ooh.
Oh, that!
Weird shape.
Oh, I squished that one. And it's weird shape. Oh, look at it unbedded.
Yeah. That's a perfect one. Get in your bucket.
Oh, come here. Yep. Oh,
That's okay. That's still perfect. Lots of red ones.
I got one.
Oh. They're all. They look like Christmas ornaments, Christmas tree ornaments. They're so red.
Hey, look at this one's perfect.
It is. Look what I got.
Ooh, that one's a big one.
It
It
is.
has no embedded. Oh, it has more aphids.
It's okay.
That one has a
Organic.
spider web. Don't eat that one.
That's okay. We can wash it. We always wash our food before we eat them. Especially organic ones because they have.
Okay, this one is. Oh, what's those black things?
Hmm?
Those black
It's the
things.
seeds.
Why they go up there?
There's more. Take a picking. Oh, our bucket is filling up. So many. These are so sweet as well.
Is this good to eat?
Yeah, you can eat them.
Then just squished in.
Ooh. There's some more red ones down here under the leaves. They're just hiding. Pick the red ones, not the green ones, okay?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah,
I
that
want
one is not ready yet because it's half red, half green.
Oh, that one has juice in it.
So sweet.
Is this good? This
There's more over here.
and we'll get. Ah! Is this safe to eat? Is
How does it taste? It's so sweet.
not like curry? It tastes like cherries.
It tastes like cherries, but that's a strawberry. Yum. Indulging.
There you go.
Look at you.
Where I just put this.
Just put it on the ground. Nice.
And
You're just eating, not picking. What?
What's the aphids taste like? What's the aphids taste like?
I don't know. I haven't had aphids.
For dinner.
Show me your face. Look at your face.
I taste the bug, and it tastes like chicken nuggets.
Oh, really?
Ah! That's really green!
Go!
That's how you pass.
Ooh. A nice day. Heat wave's not here yet. Ready, go! Cows are coming out to eat grass.
Oh, they're going to eat us.
No, they're not gonna eat us. Silly. Silly Willy. Hey, buddy. Are you done? Look at all the berries you picked. Huh? You're gonna eat them?
Is there day?
Hmm?
Is there
Ooh. Look at all those berries. They're so sweet as well. Nice.
what?
Augie, should we go home? Let's go weigh 'em. Let's go. Get a bucket. Nope. Oh, strong boy. Okay, go over there, please.
Okay.
Nice.
Hey guys, remember what we picked? It's called strawberries. We know that we picked strawberries and it's in the core. So you're gonna buy. And bye guys.
So hi guys, we just got home from picking strawberries and we're ready to make strawberry milkshake today. So we're gonna start, and here are the ingredients. Milk, strawberries that are cleaned out, and these are ripe strawberries from the farm we picked today. Some sugar, vanilla, and of course your ice cream. I chose a strawberry ice cream because you just want a lot of strawberry flavor in there. But you can use vanilla ice cream too, which is pretty good as well. This is from Edelin Dairy, which is our local dairy farm. They have really good ice cream, and we'll start. So to start, we're gonna put all our strawberries. Then we'll add some sugar, flash of vanilla, and then our milk. And last but not least, our ice cream. I'm gonna put lots in there because you want nice, creamy. Let's put the lid on, wrap it up, turn it on. Here it is, so good. Here's my strawberry milkshake. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the channel. Until next time, bye.
Like and subscribe. Thank you.